Hey guys, so here is my Comfort Zone 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan with remote that I use in my office here. So this is one of the newer ones, and it has the quad pod design, where you can fold the actual base up for storage in the wintertime. It's 16 inches, it's oscillating, and it has a remote control, which is pretty basic. Speed and timer. It does have a replaceable battery on the bottom. It's just a watch type battery, like a button cell battery. But it's pretty quiet, moves a good amount of air, and it has a good range for the speeds. The oscillation is smooth. My only complaint is it's not actually 16 inches. So for example, we get a tape measure here. It's actually like a 14-inch fan, not a 16-inch fan as advertised, but I mean, it's whatever. It still moves good air. For a cheap fan, for being 30 bucks, I mean, you really can't complain. It does have a lighted control panel with an 8-hour timer. So I'll start up here on low. Pretty quiet. Medium. And high. There's not very much difference between the speeds, but at least low is pretty quiet. Probably gonna blow all the papers on my desk. Medium. And also, if you hit the timer, there's 4 selections between 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours. So here's the back of the fan. You can see there's plenty of vents for the motor. And here's the specifications on it. 50 watts. But I think it's a great fan for 30 bucks. You can't complain. So there you have it. My Comfort Zone pedestal fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.